HIV, or the human immunodeficiency virus, stands as a significant global health concern. It has affected millions worldwide, impacting individuals, families, and communities. Understanding HIV is crucial to combating its spread and mitigating its effects. This essay delves into the intricacies of HIV, covering its types, transmission routes, symptoms, testing methods, and available treatments. It also emphasizes the importance of prevention and dispels common myths surrounding the virus. The human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, is a virus that attacks the body's immune system. The immune system is our body's defense mechanism against infections and diseases. When HIV infects a person, it targets specific cells, primarily a type of white blood cell called a CD4+ T cell, also known as a T helper cell. These cells play a vital role in coordinating the immune response to fight off infections. HIV is more than just a virus. It's a complex health challenge with far-reaching implications. Its impact extends beyond physical health, often affecting mental, social, and economic well-being. Understanding HIV is not just about knowing the science. It's about recognizing its profound influence on individuals and communities globally. By raising awareness, promoting accurate information, and advocating for effective prevention and treatment strategies, we can work towards a future where HIV is no longer a public health threat. This journey begins with understanding the virus itself and its impact on the human body. HIV is a type of virus called a retrovirus. Retroviruses store their genetic information as RNA rather than DNA. When HIV enters a CD4+ T cell, it uses an enzyme called reverse transcriptase to convert its RNA into DNA. This viral DNA then integrates into the host cell's DNA, effectively becoming part of the cell's genetic makeup. Once integrated, the virus can use the cell's machinery to replicate itself, producing more HIV particles that can infect other cells. The impact of HIV on the immune system is devastating. As the virus multiplies, it destroys CD4+ T cells, weakening the body's ability to fight off infections. This gradual decline in CD4+ T cell count leaves the body vulnerable to opportunistic infections, which are infections that wouldn't normally cause illness in a healthy individual. Without treatment, HIV can progress to AIDS, the most advanced stage of HIV infection. HIV's impact on the immune system is a gradual process, often taking years to develop into AIDS. During this time, the virus continues to replicate and damage the immune system, making the individual increasingly susceptible to a wider range of infections and illnesses. Understanding this process is crucial for appreciating the importance of early detection and treatment. The progression of HIV infection can vary significantly from person to person. Factors such as overall health, access to healthcare, and individual genetic makeup can influence the rate of disease progression. However, regardless of the speed of progression, the impact of HIV on the immune system is undeniable and highlights the critical need for effective prevention, treatment, and care strategies. There are two main types of HIV, HIV-1 and HIV-2. HIV-1 is the most common type globally and is responsible for the vast majority of HIV infections worldwide. HIV-2, while similar to HIV-1, is less easily transmitted and tends to progress more slowly. It is primarily found in West Africa and parts of Europe. HIV-1 is further classified into different subtypes or strains, each with unique genetic characteristics. These subtypes are often geographically concentrated. For instance, subtype B is predominant in North America and Europe, while subtype C is most common in Southern Africa. Understanding the different subtypes of HIV is crucial for epidemiological surveillance, vaccine development, and tailoring treatment strategies. HIV-2, although less prevalent than HIV-1, remains a significant public health concern in the regions where it is endemic. While individuals infected with HIV-2 may experience a slower disease progression, they are still at risk of developing AIDS if left untreated. Therefore, access to testing, treatment, and care services is equally crucial for both HIV-1 and HIV-2 infections. The existence of different types and subtypes of HIV highlights the complexity of the virus and the challenges in developing a globally effective vaccine or cure. Continued research and surveillance efforts are essential to better understand the global distribution and evolution of HIV, paving the way for more targeted and effective prevention and treatment strategies. Let's take a moment to separate fact from fiction when it comes to HIV. There are many misconceptions out there, but it's crucial to rely on accurate information. HIV cannot be transmitted through casual contact, such as hugging or shaking hands. It is also not spread through air, water, or sharing food. Understanding these facts can help reduce stigma and promote a more informed and compassionate approach. Recognizing the symptoms of HIV is an important step towards early diagnosis and treatment. Initially, some people may experience flu-like symptoms such as fever, sore throat, and fatigue. These symptoms can appear within 2 to 4 weeks after exposure. However, it's important to note that many people may not show any symptoms for years. Regular testing is the key to knowing your status and taking control of your health. Once diagnosed, there are effective treatments available that can help manage HIV and allow individuals to lead healthy lives. Antiretroviral therapy, or ART, is the cornerstone of HIV treatment. By taking ART consistently, you can reduce the viral load in your body to undetectable levels, which means the virus cannot be transmitted to others. Remember, adherence to your treatment plan is essential for maintaining your health and well-being. Empowering ourselves and our communities is vital in the fight against HIV. Education and awareness are powerful tools. By sharing accurate information and supporting those affected by HIV, we can break down barriers and foster a more inclusive society. Together, we can create an environment where everyone has access to the care and support they need. Let's continue to advocate for change and work towards a future free of HIV stigma and discrimination.